We've already gone over a number of different reasons on why to go solar in our other videos. Doing your part toward a greener future, appealing to the savvy customer and the savvy investor, and owning and producing your electricity as opposed to paying the utility. In this video, we're going to show you how your business can make money with solar energy. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Kacie, and this is Going Solar with Pivot Energy, where we cover all things solar energy, commercial solar, solar finance incentives, and community solar. If you're interested in all things solar, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. We post new videos weekly. Okay, so let's dig into the financial benefits of commercial solar. There are several ways to make money with solar. Today, we'll cover the two most popular options: leasing your unused rooftop or land and investing in on-site solar. Say you have a plot of land on the ground or unused roof space on your building that is just going to waste at the moment. Well, commercial solar panels can be installed, unlocking a new source of income. How much do you need to pay for this? Nothing. And we'll maintain it as well. I know what you're thinking. What do we get out of this? We pay you for the use of your roof or land, and in turn, the utilities pay us for the solar energy we provide. It's essentially like you become a landlord with absolutely no responsibility, just pure revenue. Sounds like a pretty cushy job to me. So I become a landlord of the sun? Not exactly. This is all made possible through a nifty financing mechanism known as feed-in tariffs, which are currently only available in certain states. Originating in Europe and slowly growing in the United States, under feed-in tariff structures, utilities are mandated to enter long-term contracts with solar power generators, or businesses who host solar arrays, to purchase all electricity generated at a fixed rate. Under the feed-in tariff program, all electricity generated goes directly to the grid instead of being consumed in your building first. This way, there's actually no investment from the property owner, and you have a guaranteed 20-year revenue stream. I know, it's a lot. Another way you can benefit from solar is by installing a behind-the-meter system. This is an on-site solar array that directly powers your building with clean solar energy. Instead of paying for electricity from fossil fuels that make money disappearing every month to your utility, you can take control of your energy supply and have true energy independence. Through taking advantage of financial incentives at the federal, state, and individual levels, you can reduce your upfront investment and shorten your return on investment period. The cool thing is that these revenue streams can work in addition to each other. So let's start with federal. On the federal level, you could take advantage of the ITC and depreciation on your taxes. ITC stands for Federal Investment Tax Credit. The ITC was originally introduced in 2005 as a part of the Energy Policy Act and was most recently extended in the federal COVID relief bill passed by Congress in December 2020. This allows businesses to receive 26% of the entire system cost as a tax credit in 2021 and 2022. Want to learn more about the ITC extension? Check out our video where we take a closer look at the newest extension and its impact on future solar projects. Another important tax incentive to understand is depreciation. With straight-line depreciation, you would deduct a portion of the cost of a solar installation over the course of 5 years, as per the Modified Accelerated Cost Recovery System, or macro schedule. With accelerated depreciation, which you are eligible for while investing in solar, you may now deduct the entire cost of the asset the year you made the purchase. This is one big write-off for that fiscal year. This also provides businesses with extra capital to acquire even more equipment or technology to accelerate your growth. Great, those are the federal incentives. Let's move on to the options at the state level. These vary from state to state. What's great about Pivot is that we will dig into your location and see how many state or other types of incentives are available for you. We do the homework, so you don't have to. In general, there are 4 ways to save or even make money at the state level: through rebates, SRECs, grants, and tax incentives. If you are curious about what's available in your area, the Database of State Incentives for Renewables and Efficiency, DSIRE, found at dsireusa.org, is a great resource to search by state for eligible solar incentives. From coast to coast, there are literally hundreds of incentives. From the Solar and Wind Energy Property Tax Exemption in Maine, to the Public Benefits Fund Energy Trust of Oregon, to the Solar Energy Rebate Program in Texas, there are over 2,000 incentive programs across the country, so make sure you check out which programs you are eligible for and consult your tax assessors. Let's start with rebates. Rebates are a retrospective financial payment used as an incentive to drive sales growth. Some states, municipalities, and utilities actually offer rebates for solar installations. Some rebates are performance-based, meaning that the amount of energy produced can give a system owners cash for that production. This kind of incentive encourages well-designed, high-producing, maintained arrays. SREC stands for Solar Renewable Energy Certificate. They amount for the environmental value that renewable energy provides beyond electricity, and they hold monetary value. You can actually sell your SREC generated by your system that can further reduce the cost of your system. Some utilities have renewable portfolio standard, and SREC can help make them make their promise to a greener future. The price that you get for selling your SRECs varies between utilities and states. Now let's move on to the individual. All of these tax incentives, grants, and production-based incentives can coexist with net metering. This is on top or separate from your electric bill savings, which I'm going to go into now. One of the main reasons businesses decide to go solar is to save money on their utility bills. The main way you save money is through a concept known as net metering. With net metering, you can receive retail credit from excess energy that you produce during the day or summer and pull from them at night, or when you're consuming more than you're producing. This translates into immediate operating expense savings. This means that your meter literally runs backwards, counting down the kilowatt hours that you have overproduced. In most cases, the utility credits the excess power from your solar panels at the retail rate that they would normally charge you. At Pivot Energy, we help business owners make their solar dreams a reality. We're also a certified B Corp dedicated to serving our people, planet, and profit. We hope that you learned a bit more today about how solar energy is good for the environment and for your wallet. Pivot Energy provides turnkey services. We help unlock your potential and take control of your electricity and become a leader in solar energy. By being a turnkey service, this means that we are there at every stage of the project development, from initial feasibility analysis, development work and financing, through engineering, construction, operations, and maintenance. If you ever have any questions or are interested in a commercial solar or community solar project, reach out to me via my email in the description or comment below and we'll get in touch. To learn more about what we do at Pivot Energy, head to pivotenergy.net. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we post our latest videos on clean energy solutions. Thank you for tuning in to Going Solar with Pivot Energy. See you next time.